Defend your engine against water and particle contamination with PreLine-Plus. The PreLine-Plus is a 30-micron filter installed before the factory fuel filter, specifically designed to facilitate water separation to protect your engine and fuel system. Designed specifically to cope with extreme weather conditions and poor fuel quality, they are the perfect choice for drivers in Australia. Direction Plus PreLine-Plus is an innovative pre-filter system for diesel fuel systems, which ensures a high degree of water separation and particle pre-separation. The PreLine-Plus system uses an exclusive multi-grade performance filter media, which is designed to effectively protect common rail injection systems. The PreLine-Plus kits include an intuitive multi-stage water alert that separates it from other kits on the market. The PreLine-Plus system is tailored to the most modern diesel injection systems for diesel engines. With a water separation efficiency of 100% and a long service life, the PreLine-Plus system meets the specifications set by leading manufacturers of diesel fuel injection systems. PreLine-Plus also has a 98% particle separation based on 30-micron particles, 150 litres per hour flow rate, simple spin-on style filter, reliable protection from corrosion and abrasion. The Direction Plus PreLine-Plus kit comes with plug-and-play wiring to suit 12 and 24-volt systems, mounting brackets, and is an easy DIY fit. PreLine-Plus system provides protection for all modern diesel high-pressure injection systems, reliably protecting the fuel system from corrosion, abrasion, and the frequency of repairs reduced. PreLine-Plus is the first-line defense against water and particle contamination. Investing in a Direction Plus PreLine-Plus system will protect your investment 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Visit directionplus.com today.